मुझे आपसे अभी मिलना है। आई हैव टू मीट यू राइट नाउ। आई हैव टू मीट यू राइट नाउ। कभी कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है। समटाइम्स वी हैव टू स्पीक अ लाई। समटाइम्स वी हैव टू स्पीक अ लाई। आप इस वक्त कहाँ पर हो? वेयर आर यू एट द मोमेंट? वेयर आर यू एट द मोमेंट? मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? वाई डज इट ओनली हैपन टू मी? वाई डज इट ओनली हैपन टू मी? क्या बकवास चल रही है? What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा ही रहूंगा। I will remain as I am. I will remain as I am. तुम बात को बढ़ा रहे हो। You are elongating the matter. You are elongating the matter. मैं बात को बढ़ाना नहीं चाहता। I don't want to elongate the matter. I don't want to elongate the matter. मुझे मेरे हाल पर छोड़ दो। Leave me on my own. Leave me on my own. गलती आपकी है, ना कि मेरी। The fault is yours, not mine. The fault is yours, not mine. यह एक अजीब इत्तेफाक है। It's strange coincidence. It's strange coincidence. आप मुझसे जलते क्यों हो? Why are you jealous of me? Why are you jealous of me? अगर वो कुछ कहने लगी तो? What if she starts saying something? What if she starts saying something? जीवन बहुत अनमोल है। Life is so precious. Life is so precious. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए। I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. कभी तो मेरी सुन लिया करो। Do ever listen to me. Do ever listen to me. यह करना ही होगा। It has to be done. It has to be done. बात पक्की हो गई। The terms were finished. The terms were finished. मेरा दिल बाग-बाग हो गया। I was overjoyed. I was overjoyed. नहीं, कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं है। No, nothing is wrong. No, nothing is wrong. वह अभी भी गुस्से में है। He is still angry. He is still angry. मुझे रोज हिचकियाँ आती है। I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. इतना मेरे लिए काफी है। That's enough for me. That's enough for me. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता। I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. इस तरफ से आइए। Come from this way. Come from this way. मैं निकलने ही वाला हूँ। I am about to leave. I am about to leave. मुझसे मिलकर जाना। Go after meeting me. Go after meeting me. दवाई खाकर सो जाना। Sleep after taking medicine. Sleep after taking medicine. मैं इस किताब को पढ़ना चाहता हूँ। I want to read this book. I want to read this book. मुझे तुम्हारे साथ चलना चाहिए था। I should have gone with you. I should have gone with you. मैं दुविधा में हूँ, क्या करूँ? I am in a fix what to do. I am in a fix what to do. तुमने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली। You speak out of my mind. You speak out of my mind. तुमसे न हो पाएगा। This is out of your league. This is out of your league. मैं ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ। That's the way I speak. That's the way I speak. तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? तुम कितने बेरहम हो? How heartless you are. How heartless you are. हम खुद ही चले जाएंगे। We will go ourselves. We will go ourselves. ये तुम्हारा कमरा है, मेरा नहीं. This is your room, not mine. This is your room, not mine. ज्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा. It won't take long. It won't take long. कितने आलसी लड़के हो तुम. How lazy a boy you are. How lazy a boy you are. तुझे कहना ही होगा. You have to say. You have to say. तुझे रास्ता बनाना ही होगा. You have to make a way. You have to make a way. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice to meet you. It was nice to meet you. मैं उसे पढ़ने नहीं देता हूँ. I do not let her study. I do not let her study. हम उन्हें खेलने नहीं देते हैं. We do not let them play. We do not let them play. यह तुम मुझ पर छोड़ दो. You leave this to me. You leave this to me. हमें पहले ही देर हो चुकी है. We are already late. We are already late. हर कोई नाच सकता है. Everybody can dance. Everybody can dance. उसे जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. He has to get up early. He has to get up early. मुझे तो चाय भी बनाना नहीं आता. I don't even know how to make tea. I don't even know how to make tea. मेरा फोन मेरे पास लाओ. Get my phone to me. Get my phone to me. तुम्हारा खाना न खाना बराबर है. Your eating or not eating is the same. Your eating or not eating is the same. तुम मुझे बिगाड़ रहे हो. You are spoiling me. You are spoiling me. वह पापा बनने वाला है. He is going to be a father. He is going to be a father. तुम मुझे परेशान करने से कभी नहीं चुकते. You never miss out on bothering me. You never miss out on bothering me. वह हमेशा अपनी चलाता है. He always bosses around. He always bosses around. ये सब बस दिखावा है. It's just all I was. It's just all I was. तुम हमेशा पहेलियां बुझाते हो. You always talk in riddles. You always talk in riddles. ये सब सुनी सुनाई बातें हैं. These are all hearsay. These are all hearsay. तुम माफी के लायक नहीं हो. You don't deserve forgiveness. You don't deserve forgiveness. तुम सजा के लायक हो. You deserve punishment. You deserve punishment. ये पानी पीने लायक नहीं है. This water is not potable. This water is not potable. मुझे सब कुछ साफ साफ दिखाई रहा है. I can see everything clearly. I can see everything clearly. अपनी आवाज नीची करो. Lower your voice. Lower your voice. अपनी आवाज ऊंची मत करो. Don't raise your voice. Don't raise your voice. चलो वापस काम पे लग जाओ. Let's get back to work. Let's get back to work. हमारी आपस में बनती नहीं है. We don't get along with each other. We don't get along with each other. जिंदगी में सारा खेल पैसे का है. Life is all about money. Life is all about money. तुम मुझे टाल क्यों रहे हो? Why are you putting me off? Why are you putting me off? वो चलते चलते गिर पड़ा. He fell down while walking. He fell down while walking. तुम्हें उसका सामना करना ही पड़ेगा. You will have to face him. You will have to face him. हर चीज का एक वक्त होता है. There is a time to everything. There is a time to everything. बहुत हो गई तुम्हारी बकवास अब. Enough of your crap now. Enough of your crap now. बहुत हो गई तुम्हारी पढ़ाई. Enough of your study. Enough of your study. अपने हाथ आगे की ओर खींचो। स्ट्रेच योर हैंड्स फॉरवर्ड। स्ट्रेच योर हैंड्स फॉरवर्ड। मेरा खून मत खौलाओ। डोंट मेक माई ब्लड बॉयल। डोंट मेक माई ब्लड बॉयल। तुम तो अब कम ही नजर आते हो। यू आर रेयरली सीन नाउ। यू आर रेयरली सीन नाउ। उन्होंने हमें भारी मन से विदा किया। They saw us off with a heavy heart. They saw us off with a heavy heart. दुनिया में हर तरह के लोग होते हैं। It takes all sorts to make a world. It takes all sorts to make a world. वो दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग है। They both are worlds apart. They both are worlds apart. इसे फूंक मारकर बुझा दो। Put it out by blowing it. Put it out by blowing it. देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाया। Look what I have got for you. Look what I have got for you. पीने से इसकी बर्बादी हुई है। Drinking has brought about his ruin. Drinking has brought about his ruin. वह हाथ छुड़ाकर भाग गया। He broke away. He broke away. खाना तो मैंने कब का खा लिया। I had food too long ago. I had food too long ago. वो तो कब के चले गए। They left too long ago. They left too long ago. दूध उफन गया है। The milk has boiled over. The milk has boiled over. मैं आपको अपने पिता जैसे मानता हूँ। I look on you as my own father. I look on you as my own father. पता नहीं तुम इतने डरते क्यों हो। Don't know why you fear so much. Don't know why you fear so much. मुझे सही से कार चलाना नहीं आता। I don't know how to drive properly. I don't know how to drive properly. मैंने तभी के तभी जॉब छोड़ दी। I left the job then and there. I left the job then and there. मैं खेलने के बजाय पढ़ना पसंद करूंगा। I would rather study than play. I would rather study than play. मैं धोखा देने वालों में से नहीं हूँ। I am not one of those who deceive. I am not one of those who deceive. मन तो किया कि उसे सब कुछ बता दूं। I felt like telling him everything. I felt like telling him everything. सच सच बताओ तुम कहाँ थे। Tell me truthfully where you were. Tell me truthfully where you were. वह आजकल बहुत सोता है। He sleeps a lot nowadays. He sleeps a lot nowadays. वो पहले बहुत खाता था। He ate a lot before. He ate a lot before. वहां जाने में कुछ नहीं जाता। Nothing goes to go there. Nothing goes to go there. देखने में कुछ नहीं जाता। Nothing goes to see. Nothing goes to see. तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं जाता। Nothing goes yours. Nothing goes yours. तुम्हारे पास है ही क्या जो मुझे दोगे। You have nothing to give me. You have nothing to give me. मैं चाहूंगा कि तुम यह काम करो। I would like you to do this work. I would like you to do this work. मैं जीतकर ही रहूंगा। I will win anyhow. I will win anyhow. मुझे तुमसे कोई शिकायत नहीं है। I have no complaints against you. I have no complaints against you. अपनी बात मनवाना तो कोई तुमसे सीखे। One should learn convincing from you. One should learn convincing from you. मेहनत करना तो कोई तुमसे सीखे। One should learn working hard from you. One should learn working hard from you. शादी की बात को आगे बढ़ाइए। Initiate the marriage matter further. Initiate the marriage matter further. वो सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से अच्छा दिखता है। He was very happy outwardly. He was very happy outwardly. तुम्हारी पढ़ाई का क्या? What about your studies? What about your studies? मान लो कि यह तुम्हारा है. Suppose that this is your house. Suppose that this is your house. मैं 2 दिन की छुट्टी ले रहा हूँ. I'm taking 2 days off. I'm taking 2 days off. मुझे ध्यान नहीं रहा. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. मेरे पास कैश बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. I'm completely out of cash. I'm completely out of cash. उसने मुझे 3 बार कॉल किया. He called me thrice. He called me thrice. कभी ना कभी तो मैं सफल हो जाऊंगा. I will be successful sometime or other. I will be successful sometime or other. आमतौर पर मैं वहां नहीं जाता. Generally I don't go there. Generally I don't go there. चलो आज बाहर खाते हैं. Let's eat out today. Let's eat out today. सब कुछ तुम्हारे हिसाब से नहीं चल सकता. Everything can't go according to you. Everything can't go according to you. एक बात है जो तुम्हें नहीं पता. There is one thing you don't know. There is one thing you don't know. झूठ के पाँव नहीं होते. A lie has no legs to stand upon. A lie has no legs to stand upon. अब वो अपनी बकवास में लग गया है. Now he has set in with his nonsense. Now he has set in with his nonsense. वो अपने समय से आगे की सोचता है. He thinks ahead of his time. He thinks ahead of his time. मेरे बारे में तुम क्या सोचते हो? What do you think of me? What do you think of me? तुम्हारा कमरा कितना अस्त व्यस्त है. How messy your room is. How messy your room is. मेरी कलाई मत मरोड़ो. Don't twist my wrist. Don't twist my wrist. क्या हम यहाँ से दिशा बदलेंगे? Is this where we turn off? Is this where we turn off? वो मेरे विरुद्ध हो गया है. He has turned against me. He has turned against me. तुम्हें ये करना भी नहीं आता. You don't even know how to do this. You don't even know how to do this. उसने सरे बाजार उसकी पोल खोल दी. She exposed him openly. She exposed him openly. वह जल्दबाजी में लिया गया फैसला है. That was a hasty decision. That was a hasty decision. बचकानी हरकतें मत किया करो. Don't behave childishly. Don't behave childishly. अंग्रेजी बोलने की आदत डाल लो. Get into the habit of speaking English. Get into the habit of speaking English.